Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Injective. In today's analysis, we will take a look at this breakdown from this big falling wedge pattern. Right now, Injective is trying to re-enter the same wedge that was previously broken down. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my recent trade setup that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 14th of August of Injective protocol, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal guardlay move that Injective protocol formed with US dollar pair. And this was a chart on the 2-hour time frame. And by the way, before this, I shared this idea that is a long-term move, another bullish guardlay move that Injective protocol has formed on the monthly time frame chart as well. And in some other video of Injective protocol, I'll also explain this idea with you as well. And by the way, this will be a massive move, very big move, and I've also already shared this idea at the Patreon as well. Now let me just show you this chart that I shared on 14th of August, and you can see it was a perfect guardlay move, and our buying zone as per the Fibonacci sequence of this pattern was from $1.90 and goes to $1.83, and our sell targets are from $2 and $2.11. Now here we can observe, after playing this chart, that the price line moves slightly down than this support, this potential reversal zone here, and tested the next support. After that, we had the next support here, and you can see it tested the next support, moved down, and formed a double bottom here at the next support, and again it pumped very well. You can see it was a very big pump up to $2.19. Now if we take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, then here we have a quite interesting situation that it has already broken down a very big falling wedge pattern, and now you can see it is turning up. And recently we had a rejection, by the way. Here you can see on this daily time frame chart, and by the way, this previous support of the wedge is now flipped into a resistance. Therefore now the price line is getting rejected by this resistance. We had a rejection, and now the price line is again turning up to make another attempt to break out this resistance. Now for example, if Injective will be able to re-enter this wedge, then we will have another very strong resistance zone that starts from $3.50 and goes to $4. And previously this zone has been working as a quite strong support and resistance. If I highlight this zone, then you can see when it entered in this zone here after breaking it out, it worked as a very strong support here, again moved down, entered inside this strong support zone, again rallied up and rejected by this resistance of the falling wedge pattern. And now it can again work. Once it will be able to re-enter this wedge, then it can again work as a strong resistance like previously it was working as a support. And after that, we will have the next major support here that will be at $4.95. And by the way, you can see almost at the same level we also have this resistance of the falling wedge pattern as well. Therefore after breaking out this wedge resistance of the wedge, we will also need to break out this resistance of $4.95. Previously this level has been working as a support here, as a support here, as a support here, and as a resistance here. And after $4.95, our next major resistance will be here at $10. And previously this level has been working as a resistance here, support here, resistance, and support here. And then we will have at $15 the major resistance, resistance, and here it was also working as a resistance. And by the way, we also have here another resistance as well between this $4.95 to $10. That will be approximately at $6.50. And previously this level has been working as a support here and almost as a support here as well, and as a resistance here. And this will be our final target, that is at $21.50. And after breaking this resistance of the falling wedge, we can expect that soon Injective can also reach the resistance of this falling wedge pattern that will be at $21.50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.